Selling stickers and magnets isn't just a side hustle for pocket change. Etsy sellers are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars selling these products a month, all without printing or shipping anything. Zip, zilch, nada, nothing themselves. But most people don't realize how simple it really is to start selling. And the time to start is right now. Stick with me and I'll show you how to exactly start, create, and get your first print-on-demand sales with Printify. What is it about stickers and magnets that make them such a beginner-friendly and profitable POD product to sell? They're in high demand and easy. Etsy, TikTok, Amazon, Instagram. People all over the place are impulse buying stickers and magnets because they're fun and affordable. That's right. With the right pricing strategy, these become high profit margin items, especially when they're sold as packs, giving the buyers the value they want. And yes, I'm going to share some pricing tips with you a bit later on. Another tip for now though, unlike apparel, there's no need to worry about a bunch of size variations with stickers and magnets. No sizes, no hassle. And you know what else isn't a hassle? Figuring out what to design for these products. From fandoms to political causes to viral internet memes, these badges of personality are easy to customize for any niche. Here's the real secret to success though. Choosing the right stickers to make your designs stand out. It all starts in the Printify catalog under Magnets and Stickers in the Home and Living section. Designs come in all shapes and sizes, and so should your products. That's why we offer over 30 magnet and sticker styles to choose from. Square, round, custom, indoor, outdoor, bumper, holographic, and transparent, and even entire sheets and rolls. Scroll through our catalog, or if you know exactly what you want, you can type it in the search bar. I'll choose the best-selling Kiss Cut sticker. And pro tip, if your design has intricate details and edges, go for Kiss Cut. It'll protect the edges of your design since only the sticker layer is cut. The machine is literally kissing the first layer, leaving the backing intact and making it easier to peel. Die-cut stickers are fully cut through both sticker and backing, creating individually shaped stickers, kind of like a cookie cutter. These will be better for bold professional looks and unique shapes. Okay, back to our bestseller. On the product details page, you'll find more info about materials, sizes, finishes, fulfillment options, and pricing. Let's get to the most exciting part now and start designing. We're now in the Product Creator, where you can find all sizing requirements, download design templates, and upload your custom design. Or you can create your design with our free tools, like the AI image generator, text editor, and graphics library. If you really want to speed up the process, you can buy a pre-made design from Shutterstock or even hire a pro from Fiverr. I'm going to drop in a unique design that I've already created. The design can be adjusted by dragging and dropping any corner, and I can rotate by dragging any edge. This all can be done more precisely in the right side panel as well. Here you can also change or add more size variants and choose if you want a white or transparent base. Note that if you have a transparent background in your design and any elements are spaced too far apart, they'll print as separate pieces of the sticker, as you can see in this example. Preview the final product, and when you're happy, save your product. And by the way, this same exact process can be used to make custom magnets too. Let's put together your listing now. Choose your mockups or upload your own and save selection. Add your listing title, product description, and tags if selling on Etsy. Choose your shipping and set your prices. Save it as a draft if you want to work on it some more later, or publish directly to your shop. Let's see how it looks on Etsy now. From the Etsy dashboard, go to Listings. Click on the listing to add any additional info like video, attributes, shop section, and renewal options. Publish it again if you make any changes, and now you can see your final listing in your shop. Now that your stickers and magnets are live, let's talk about how to actually sell them on Etsy and keep customers coming back for more. The key? Choosing the right niche and making sure your designs stand out in a sea of competition. Some of the best performing Etsy niches are rooted in emotion and identity. Think pet lovers, mental health awareness, bookish and gamer culture, funny or sarcastic quotes, and stickers that support meaningful causes. These niches tap into personal passions, making them more likely to convert casual browsers into loyal buyers. Seasonal themes, like Halloween magnets or cozy winter quotes, also drive spikes in traffic and sales when timed right. Want a practical twist? Thank you stickers for small business packaging are a hidden gem, perfect for bulk orders and sell fast. Think of it as tapping into the B2B side of Etsy. The sellers who really win on Etsy, though, don't just follow trends. They find clever ways to add their own twist. Use bold colors, clever phrases, or a signature design style to make your shop instantly recognizable. That's how you build a brand, not just a product listing. Alright, lastly, let's talk money. Because pricing your stickers and magnets the right way is what separates the casual sellers from the ones making consistent profit. Stickers cost as little as 86 cents with Printify Premium. That's insanely low, and it leaves plenty of room for profit. But here's the catch that trips up a lot of beginners: shipping. My Kiss Cut sticker costs just $1.07 to produce, but shipping is $4.59. Would I personally pay that for one sticker? Probably not. And I know a lot of customers wouldn't either. But here's the good news. Each additional sticker only adds 9 cents to the shipping cost. So this is where bundling is key. Offer sticker packs, themed bundles, or a buy 3 get 1 free deal to encourage bigger orders and make shipping feel worth it. Let's say I create 3 more Kiss Cut stickers to have a cute spring-themed sticker collection. The production cost would be $4.28 plus $4.59 shipping for the first sticker, but only 27 cents for the additional 3. Our total shipping comes out to only $4.86 for a final cost of $9.14 for the bundle. A retail price of $14.99 works out to $3.75 per sticker, plus free shipping. A steal for your customer and about a $5 profit for you after considering other fees like listing and transaction fees. Keep your individual sticker pricing somewhere between $2.99 and $5.99, depending on the size and design, and align that with your shipping strategy, whether it's free shipping over a certain amount or a flat rate. Make it feel like a deal, and your customers will keep adding to cart. And that's it. You're officially ready to start selling custom stickers and magnets on Etsy using Printify. From picking products to designing and listing, you've got everything you need to make your first sale. But here's the thing. Knowing how to price your products across your whole shop can make or break your success. So join me in the next video. I'm breaking down exactly how to price your Etsy products, including how to cover your costs, build in profit, and still stay competitive.